If Da Vinci could see the Mona Lisa in 2019, there are probably some minor tweaks he would make to it. If Gustave Eiffel could see his tower in the center of Paris, he might also make a few changes here and there. Even the best masterpieces are not exactly perfect, and the Lamborghini Huracan is no exception. The Italian firm found ways to improve its entry-level super sports car with design changes, mechanical updates, and a lot more tech. The visual modifications made to the Huracan are not drastic. It still looks like a Huracan, and yet they improve downforce by 7% and improve engine cooling by 16%. Engine cooling is crucial when you have a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine and its 640 horsepower output to keep cool. But even the best racing drivers will tell you that power is nothing without control, and that's when the Huracan's new electronic brain comes in. Step inside and you'll see the big news is that the Huracán Evo comes with a brand new infotainment system shown on an 8.4-inch touchscreen on the center console. Maurizio Reggiani, the head of the company's research and development department, told me that connectivity is becoming increasingly important, even for a sports car like the Huracán Evo. This software has some seriously cool features baked into it. There's a built-in telemetry application that relies on a camera right above the windshield and a second camera behind the driver to record track runs. You can use a USB stick or an SD card to download the footage after each run, so you can go back and see exactly where you turned, where you braked, and when you have the pedal to the metal. What I also like about this software is that it was designed for spirited driving. If you're on a country road and you want to quickly turn the volume up or down, just use 2 fingers, tap the screen, and go up or down. So this turns it up, turns it down, and you can also mute it with 3 fingers.
Good to go.
Six sensors positioned right in the car's center of gravity monitor parameters like the steering angle, the gear the transmission is in, and the driving mode selected. From there, they feed this information to the car's electronic brain, which decides how much torque to dial into the drivetrain, how to split it front and back, and even how to split it side to side thanks to a torque vectoring system. This is the first time the Huracan has come with a torque vectoring system. You really notice a big difference when you're cornering. It breaks the outer wheel to keep you on a straighter line. Lamborghini calls this technology feed forward instead of feedback. The Huracan Evo also comes with 4-wheel steering, which is hardware adapted from the Aventador S. This software turns the rear wheels in the opposite directions as the front wheels at lower speeds, and in the same directions as the front wheels at higher speeds, like on the main straightaway. And it's not electronic wizardry just for the hell of it. You really do notice a big difference in agility when you're taking a corner in the Huracan Evo, especially compared to the standard Huracan. I'm on the Formula 1 track in Bahrain, and I'm surprised at how sharp and how playful the Huracan Evo is. The driving aids are there to save your butt if you carry too much speed into a corner, for instance, but they're not invasive. They're not there to nanny you. You can even drift in this car, but you need to. It's not a drift mode like you find in the Mercedes E63, for instance, or in the Focus RS. This merely enables you to drift, but it's not going to help you drift. You still have to do it yourself. You still have to get in it, maintain it, and get out of it. I'm approaching a tight corner, 3rd gear with the paddles, 2nd gear, got it, and there you go. And of course it's unspeakably fast, it's super quick, and it's amazingly loud, but you knew that. It's a Lamborghini, right? On the straight parts of the track, you get 120, 130 miles an hour, just like that. You don't even feel it. It's got standard carbon ceramic brakes, which scrub off all that speed in mere seconds. Lamborghini will begin delivering the 2020 Huracan Evo to customers in the spring of 2019. Pricing starts at about $260,000.